Hey guys, Danny Johnson here. Today we're going to be changing the battery on this older Silverado. Same for the Suburban, Tahoe, Sierra of that year. So the battery terminals are on the side here, and we're going to go ahead and take our 8mm wrench. Now, this is a really good Milwaukee kit here, the socket set, and it's going to have everything that we need in it. I'll put the link to that in the description. But we're going to go onto the side terminal here, and it's important that we're starting with the black or the ground side first. So we're turning this counterclockwise, lefty-loosey. And so these batteries do mount on the side for this particular style here. So we're going to go ahead and remove that one. So black first, then we're going to do the red, and it's going to be the opposite on install. Okay, so the red one will just take off and move out of the way there too. Okay, so we're going to remove this bar that's holding it down under it. We're going to use a 10mm socket for that. And so we're going to go ahead and loosen this one. We don't have to take it out all the way, but once that one is loose, then we're going to remove this one. Okay, so once we remove this bolt, now with this just loosened, we can just kind of slide it out of the way. And then I like to put this back in its place so that we don't lose it as we're changing the battery in and out. Okay, now we're going to take our 13mm, and I like how they give you enough extensions to make this work. So everything we're doing is just for this one kit. And we're going to go onto this bolt that's down in here. This is the battery tie down, so it's keeping the battery from bouncing around. So we'll take that out. And I really like the knurled edge that they give you on here too. That makes it easy to twist this by hand. Okay, now we can just remove this battery wedge out. Just flip it sideways. So it was like this, wedging it in. So just twist it up, pull it out. Now we can lift the battery out. And it's nice that this has a handle on it. Make sure that if you go get your new battery, that you take this handle off if the new battery doesn't come with one. When you go get a new battery, don't give away your free handle. A lot of times it doesn't come with a new handle. All you have to do is take a screwdriver, put it behind this tab to make it flat. So you flatten it out like that. Then you pull it up through. Then on your new battery, just push it back through. You still have your handle. Okay, you want to take a wire brush and get rid of any corrosion that's on these. Okay, make sure you remove these caps. They just twist off the direction arrow that it shows. And then make sure that we're hooking these up to the right positive and negative. Okay, drop the battery down in there, and then make sure that you put the wedge down so that the hole is lined up for the bolt. Okay, then go ahead and tighten that down till it's snug, and again, that was your 13mm. Okay, so you're gonna line up the red one first and turn it by hand so you're not cross-threading it. Make sure that it turns in easy as you're starting to tighten this down, but we're doing the red side first, not the negative. Okay, now we'll do the negative side, so seat it first and twist it by hand to make sure that it's tightening down straight without cross-threading. Then finish tightening it down. Okay, we removed our bolt, put this back in place. Go ahead and tighten this back down, 10mm. Okay, our 10mm, we're gonna go ahead and tighten this one back down. Here. And here. All right, you're all set. So thanks for watching. Please check the video description. I have a full playlist on these GM vehicles, everything from cylinder heads to cam, lifter, battery replacement, thermostats, alternator, all kinds of things. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks, guys.